Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Gladiator Hardtop. First, gather your essential tools, a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet, which are typically included in your Jeep's toolkit. Before you begin, make sure all your windows are fully rolled down. This prevents any accidental damage during the removal. Also, it is highly recommended to have at least one other person assist you, especially when it comes to lifting the main hardtop section, as it can be quite heavy and awkward to manage alone. The first step is to remove the two front Freedom top panels. Begin by opening both front doors and folding the sun visors down against the windshield. Next, turn the three L-shaped locks on each panel, one at the front, one at the rear center, and one on the outboard side above the shoulder belt anchorage. Finally, unlatch the header panel latch located at the top of the windshield, and then carefully lift off each panel. You can store these panels in a dedicated storage bag if you have one. Now let's move to the rear section. Open the rear doors. On the driver's side, locate the wiring harness in the left rear inside corner of the vehicle. To access it, push on the right side of the plastic cover and slide it off. Pull back on the red latch, then push down on the black button while pulling the harness out. Use your vehicle's keyblade to pry off the storage cover, tuck the wire harness inside, and replace the cover to protect it. With the electrical disconnected, it's time for the final bolts. Use your T50 Torx head driver and a ratchet to remove the two Torx head screws securing the hardtop at the B-pillar, near the top of each front door. Next, remove the 6 Torx head screws that secure the hardtop to the back of the cab. Once all 8 bolts are out, with the help of at least one other person, carefully lift the main hardtop section straight up and back, placing it on a soft surface to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.